Moving apartments in Ohio, whether in Columbus, Cleveland, Cincinnati, or Dayton, comes with unique challenges. From tight stairwells to building restrictions, there's a lot to manage. Today, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to make your apartment move smooth and stress-free. The cost of moving an apartment in Ohio depends on the size of your unit, the number of items, and accessibility factors such as stairs or elevators. On average, local moves for a 1 to 2 bedroom apartment range between $400 and $1,000. Larger apartments or long-distance moves may cost more, depending on distance and complexity. Licensed and insured professional movers ensure that your belongings are handled safely, giving you peace of mind. Most apartment moves can be completed in a single day when using professional movers. Long-distance in-state moves may take 2 to 5 days, depending on the route and load size. Scheduling your move during weekdays or off-peak hours can reduce costs and avoid building congestion. Pack room by room and label every box with its contents and destination room for easier unpacking. Disassemble large furniture ahead of time so movers can navigate tight spaces. Use wardrobe boxes for clothes and sturdy boxes for heavy items like books to protect them and make moving easier. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment if you're planning an apartment move or have questions.